Okay, boys and girls, today we're doing the letter K. The K has a big line and two little lines. So here at school I have the big line. We put it right there. Remember, we started our smiley face and we draw a line down. And then we have our little line. We start at the top and we go down. And then we have our other little line. We join them together and we go down. So if you have a piece of paper, you can take a ruler and you can trace a big line like so. And then you can cut it out to make your big line. And then you can have your own big line and your own little line. If you have a chalkboard or a whiteboard, remember, we always start our letters at the top. So you can put a smiley face up here at the top to remind yourself our letters always start at the top. So you draw a big line down and then come back up to the top and then do a diagonal line to the middle and a diagonal line down. And there's your letter K. So you could do that on a whiteboard, you could do that on a chalkboard, you could even do that on a piece of paper. And we have some things here that start with the letter K. We have a kazoo. We have a key. Does anybody know what animal this is that starts with the letter K? It's a koala. We have a kite. I don't know, if it's windy, it's good kite weather. And we have a kangaroo. Maybe you could go around your house and see if you could find some things that start with the letter K.